Good evening, students. Okay, so the voice is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with the training module what we have started regarding for the transformer. So is this plate is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the capacity? What is the capacity of this transformer? So I'll just tell you, this is a 2500 kVA transformer. Okay, and if you are talking about the no load, plus minus 10% variations on the 33,000 and minus 20% of the lesser side. So 33,000 minus 20% and 33,000 plus 10%. These are the 2 points this transformer has been designed to cater the load of a 10% higher and 20% of the lower capacity. So yesterday we are just discussing about the same. So this is the point. This is basically as a transformer which is not a constant voltage transformer. It is basically a variable voltage transformer. Okay, so that will be catered 33,000 plus 10%, yani 3,300, and if you are talking about 20%, 6,600 will be minus. So almost 33,000 minus 6,600. Okay, so output supply will be 433 and the amperes on the HV side, that is 43.73, and on the LV side, that is 3,333. Higher side of the winding, that is the primary winding, is on the delta and the secondary winding is on star. That is clear? That is clear to you, all of you, the picture? Okay, so have you seen this tapping point? This tapping, you can see it. I think my voice is clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the winding in which the position has been verified. Okay, if the tapping position will be 1, the selector positions from 14 to 15, that is 13. Okay, so that is a cross winding. So 1 to 16, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that I will show you, because that is a cross linking. Okay, that is the cross linking between a points, the winding points. So if you are talking about the primary source of 1, the second source is 13. If we are talking about the primary source is 2 of a coil, the out coil part is 12. Okay, so there is the 2 parts. If you are talking about the 2 end of the wire, the first end is 1, the second is 13, the first end is second, the second end is 12, the third end is third, and the second end is 11th. That is how it is going to be defined. So I am just taking this picture for you and we will discuss over the एक इसकी photographs ले लो. Okay, so now we have discussed, this is the 2500 kVA of the transformer, how it looked like. We have already discussed earlier also, but we have not discussed what the basic fundamentals shows about. So now this is your HT side, this is your HT input, that is the primary winding, and just beside of that, that is the secondary winding. Okay, so what we are talking about, the HT cable, this is the XLP HT cable of 300 square mm. If you see, so that is a 3 core 300 square mm cable, and this is the Culls connection. Okay, so it is not going to be intact with the metal. And in this particular cable we should have a earthing, okay, and this is the earthing which comes out from the cable. This is clear to all of you? Okay. So now we have discussed, this is your primary winding, that is your back side of the secondary winding. If you go through with this, this is your Buckhorst relay, okay, and the flow marking arrow is showing from the right to left direction. ठीक है? This is the breather in which half of the silica gel is blue and half of the silica gel is pink, because we are not taking a load from this transformer, it is under maintenance, so we have to replace the silica gel. But the condition of the silica gel should be which color? Pardon?
Blue color.
Blue color. Correct. That is the blue color. Okay. This is the conservator which we are talking about. This is the conservator. And in this conservator, you have seen that is the oil gauge meter. Is it visible? Okay. So normally your oil should be 3/4 of the conservator of the capacity. 3/4 of the capacity of the conservator. Okay. And conservator and OLTC has been connected with this vent pipe. This will be your vent pipe. See, if there should be any pressure, okay, if there should be any pressure which is being equal in conservator and in this OLTC, on load tap changer, okay, this is your on load tap changer and this is your vent pipe. It is correct? And the same vent pipe is being connected here also in the transformer and conservator. So in the OLTC and in the transformer, okay, it is being directly connected here and this vent pipe is being connected here. This is the vacuum release valve. This is a surge relay. Okay. I think this is not clear to all of you, but this is a surge relay, all surge relay. Okay. Now we are discussing yesterday about the OLTC. Okay. So this is the OLTC. If you see, the primary end is what? Which is starting from 1 till 17. 1 till 17. And your difference of the voltage is from where to where? Difference of the voltage is starting from where to where? Means if you are taking a voltage 26,400 on the lower side and the 36,300 on the higher side. Okay. So if it will be the lower side 20,360, then difference of this will be divided by 17. Difference of that voltage divided by 17, that will be your correction voltage. That will be your correction voltage, correct? So suppose I am putting out this transformer on a 5 or a 6 or a 7, you can say that your input voltage will be 29,040, 29,070. If I will put on 7 position, that is on a 30,360. If your OLTC position will be on 11th, that is the coming voltage will be 33,000. Now it is being governed directly with the RTCC, that is a remote tap changer controller. So that will sense your input voltage and accordingly it will give you the command, and after giving this command this OLTC will directly work through a mechanized process, that is a PLC drive which is being in the RTCC. It is giving a command to the OLTC and this will become as a momentum side. ठीक है? If you want to do it manually, just press it. Okay, now the position is 6. Now the tapping position will be 6. Now see. Okay, that is the position of 7. So mechanically it will take how much time to change the tapping? That will 10 second to 12 second or a 15 second. Fine, now it is coming on 8. Suppose I am just doing in the reverse direction. Now the tap positions comes on 7. So this is the position how we change the tap manually, but this is the OLTC. We are not changing directly from transformer, we are changing it from OLTC. So this confusion is being clear to all of you or not? The difference of the voltage divided by 17, each and every voltage should have a variance of 600. Is it clear? अरे भैया हाँ ना बोल दो, क्योंकि I am 700 kilometers far away from you. चलो ठीक है, एक तो आंसर आया. Rest of you, rest all of you should understand and you have seen that mechanism.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see about the participant then. So Diksha Nigam, Dipesh Nigam, Himanshu Verma, Jyoti Kaushik or Muhammad Adnan. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Adnan? Adnan, are you on the training side or not? I think he forget to wear the mic. Adnan, can you hear me? Okay, no issues. So this will be the controllers. Okay, this will be the controllers for the internal purpose for doing the phase preventer. That is a single phase preventer. And these all are the contractors which gives the command from the RTCC side, and accordingly this OLTC works. Fine. Okay. So just see, this on-load tap changer is having the rated current of 200 amperes. Okay. And rated step voltage is a 660 volt. Transition resistance is 17.07. Motor voltage and frequency is 450. And number of a service tapping position, that is 17. And direction of a power flow, that is 81. Correct? Okay.
डायरेक्शन ऑफ पावर फ्लो का मीन क्या होगा?
Direction of, that is the
पावर फ्लो
direction of power flow, that is the B1. B1 means from left to right. So power which is coming directly to the transformer, and then all the tapping points come here, and then the outgoing parts from the LT side is going on the left hand side, which is the LT side. So that is your input side. Okay. So all the three primary windings connection is coming to the OLTC. I will show you at the board, so that will be easy for you to understand. Okay, ये दोनों photographs ले लिया? Correct. Fine. This is the fin. What we are talking about, this is the fin, and we are talking about why this fins having this gap, because this is the oil type of a transformer and the air is going to be passed from here. If you see this, the flow of oil is going through with this tunnels, okay, this through a tunnel. So this has become heat, and if your ambient condition of right now temperature is 41-42 degree, 41-42 degree, okay, and the oil temperature is almost 45 or a 50 or a 60, then you can imagine what will be your temperature. Fine. So this is a radiator fins, and everywhere on the LT side and HT side both things we are having a radiator. This we are talking about the OTI, oil temperature indicator. This red needle is a setting needle and your black needle is your current rating right now. Okay, so your setting is on 50 or a 60, say 55 you can say, that is the oil temperature, and the winding temperature is on 60. So oil temperature and the winding temperature between this is a gap of a 5 degrees C only. Okay, 5 degrees C only. If you are going to set this is on the 65, then this will become on the 70. Okay, if you are setting this on 65, then it will be 70. If you are setting on 75, then it will be 80, not more than that. That is clear. So that is OTI, is a oil temperature indicator, that is a WTI, that is a winding temperature indicator. Okay, so there are the three safeties you have seen: Buckau's relay, OTI, WTI, and all these three safeties has been directly being interacting with your VCB, with your service VCB or SF6. Clear है यहाँ पे? This is OTI, yes, this is your WTI, and these all are the control commands which is sensing to the VCB or SF6, and the Buckau's relay command is also directly going to the VCB. So that is a reverse current which is going through a VCB. If there should be any fault arises in this transformer, the direct command is directly going to the VCB to cut off the input supply, or this will be the directly cut off supply which is directly going through a transformer also. Fine. So that was the vent pipe. Okay. On the second hand of the transformer, I will take it to you with the bushings. So the bushings will be going to be clear with the other transformer. So these three Proclean bushings on the HT side, you can see in the previous transformer the HT cable was going inside of the box, but this is the internal and exposed to the ambient condition, that is the bushing. The same here, this is a charge transformer, so we have to take a distance. This is the OLTC, is the on-load tap changer. This is your silica gel. Now what is the color of the silica gel now? So the condition of the silica gel is good or bad?
Good, sir.
Good. Okay. Very good. ट्रांसफार्मर के ऑयल. ओके ओके. सो इसको खोलना जरा एक बार प्लीज. ऐसे खुल जाएगा. So the output supply from the transformer is coming to isolator, and this isolator is having the 4000 ampere of the ACB, okay, air circuit breaker, that is the MDO type of a circuit breaker, and then it is going to feed to our electrical panel, okay. So the supply which comes out from the transformer end, transformer output end, okay, the same supply coming in this ACB, it will work as a switch. If you want to disconnect, you can disconnect it from here, okay, and the rated capacity of this transformer ACB is the 4000 amperes, okay, that is the 4000 amperes. So that is how the transformer external execution is going on. Now everything is I think that is clear. The OTI, WTI, bushings, conservator, vent pipe, radiator fins and the winding. This is the primary winding inside in this particular tank, okay, and that is the ST winding, that output which was just going on. This is the OLTC, on-load tap changer, okay, that is the silica gel. This is the Buckhaus relay, and that is the vent pipe, okay. Suppose you need to do a drain of oil, so from the tank, this is the point where you can drain the oil of a transformer tank, and you want to drain the oil from the OLTC side. This is the drain point for the OLTC, this is for the transformer, okay. Now we will discuss about the earthing. So this is the earthing which is directly connected to the body. So you should have a 2 body earthing and 2 neutral earthing for every transformer, and no gridding, okay. We have discussed about the grid. If you are making out a grid, so the transformer neutral and the transformer earthing should be separate, again I am repeating, that should be separate. And if you are making 1 or 2 spare earthing, you can make a grid, but don't connect to any other equipment, okay, because that is the eddy current or the reverse current is being generated through that. So if you are going to attach with any of your panel, the implication will be your reversing current, okay. So this is your body earthing, and this is your neutral earthing. This is your neutral earthing, which is directly connecting to the bush. If you see inside, because the bush is already inside, okay, so it was directly connected with the LT side. So neutral has been connected to the LT side, okay. Is it clear?
सर अर्थिंग कितने फीट पे की गई है?
क्या चीज़?
सर अर्थिंग कितने फीट पे की गई है?
It's almost 3 meters, 3.5 meters. It is depending upon the soil to soil. If suppose you are having the sandy soil or a rocky soil, then you go for a chemical earthing. If you are having the muddy soil, okay, you can go up to the 10 feet or a 12 feet, which is a standard. But 3 meters is minimum. Is it okay?
सर ये कैसे पता चलेगा अर्थिंग प्रॉपर हो गई है?
अर्थिंग प्रॉपर होगी जब आपको जब भी कभी भी अर्थिंग को अगर चेक करना है तो आप पहले इसका कनेक्शंस निकालो, अर्थिंग टेस्टर से चेक करो. इफ़ द वैल्यू इज़ कमिंग 0.5 ohms, less than 0.5 ohms, it means that your earthing is proper. If your value is going 0.5 and above ohms, then your earthing value is having the resistance is having the lesser executions, but you can curtain out till 1 ohm, not more than that. If it is increasing to 1 ohm, then it is not proper. It should be always 0.5 ohms in between of this. If it is increasing 0.1, 0.2, it is okay. It's clear?
अर्थिंग टेस्टर कैसा होता है?
दिखा दूंगा अभी आपको. अर्थिंग टेस्टर पड़ा है अपने पास ना? हाँ नहीं है, चलो कल दिखा देंगे. मॉल में पड़ा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I'll show you earth tester. So once you are doing the earth testing, one of your points should be attached with this. The second point will be attached around a 1 meter of that distance, okay, and then you are doing a measuring, and if the value goes off 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, what is showing, if it is under 1 ohm, then it's okay. Agar if it is increasing, then you need to recheck your earthing. You can put out the bentonite powder or any chemicals which can be utilized like a charcoal versus normal conventional. We are using the charcoal and the salt. Okay.
न्यूट्रल और ग्राउंड और बॉडी की अर्थिंग में से कुछ डिफरेंस रखते हैं या फिर मतलब जैसा दूरी मिल जाती है वैसे लगा देते हैं?
नहीं नहीं, every earthing should have a 1 meter distance. If you are doing one earthing here, if you are doing one earthing at the one place after 3 feet or after 4 feet. So if you are doing a earthing at one side, the second earthing of yours should be 3 feet or a 3.5 feet far away from the first earthing. This is a very good question you have asked. So you have to make a distance of a 3.5 feet or more than that from a one earthing to a second earthing. Where is the pit? Earthing pit. I'll show you the pit. I'll show you the pit.
सर जो हम लोग न्यूट्रल को ग्राउंड कर रहे थे तो
हाँ।
हमें बॉडी की ग्राउंड करने की क्या जरूरत पड़ गई?
न्यूट्रल को ग्राउंड कर, न्यूट्रल को आप कहाँ ग्राउंड कर रहे हो भाई? न्यूट्रल तो कहीं पर भी ग्राउंड नहीं हो रहा ना. न्यूट्रल को तो आप इंडिविजुअली दे रहे हो ना. एक मिनट. Okay, so see, this is the pit, this is your one pit and that is your second pit. हटाना पाइप वहाँ से. See the distance. So if I am talking about the distance from there, so I am putting my one leg here. This is almost a 1, 2, 3, 4, almost. So this is the second point, that is the first point. So the distance between these two pits is always 8 to 10 feet far away from one point to the second point. Okay. That is clear? Okay, there was a question कि हमने अर्थ, क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपने कि अर्थिंग और न्यूट्रल को हमने क्या किया, दोनों को कॉमन क्यों नहीं कर दिया?
तो न्यूट्रल करने की क्या जरूरत पड़ गई जबकि हम एक से भी कर सकते थे?
देखो, कभी भी जब सेफ्टी एग्जीक्यूशंस करते हैं ना, तो आपको हरदम एलटी साइड भी आपको अर्थ करना है और एसटी साइड भी करना है. तो हमने अर्थ कहाँ किया? एसटी साइड में भी किया और आपका लोअर साइड में भी किया, मतलब हायर साइड और लोअर साइड दोनों तरफ कर दिया. जो न्यूट्रल आपका है दैट इज़ अ कॉमन, बिकॉज यू आर पुटिंग आउट अ फेज इन द न्यूट्रल. ठीक है, तो यू आर सेविंग योर एसटी साइड एंड यू आर सेविंग टू द एलटी साइड. तो both entity has been saved. Secondly, you are making out on a grid. If you see, these two earth pit has been connected together. So if I will connect these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many, so many of the pits, but here there are so many of pits. So if you are connecting this pit to this pit, so it becomes one. So if any one breaks or any resistive value gets break or low, the second will give them a support. Okay, the second one will give you a support. So at the end of a day, if
सॉइल
yeah, बोलो बोलो.
जब मतलब अर्थिंग या ग्राउंड मतलब जब ग्राउंडिंग करते हैं तो सर सॉइल का क्या कुछ रेजिस्टेंस चेक करते हैं हम लोग?
नहीं देखो सॉइल का,
मैंने देखा है सर गीला कर देते हैं सर उसमें,
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद पाइप रॉड डालते हैं, तब एक जगह देखा है मैंने ये, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं चला वो कर क्या रहे थे वो लोग वहाँ पे.
मैं आपको अर्थिंग दिखाता हूँ. देयर इज अ 2 टाइप्स ऑफ अर्थिंग, वन इज़ अ प्लेट अर्थिंग, वन इज़ अ रॉड अर्थिंग. ठीक है, तो क्या करते हैं, पहले गड्ढा खोदते हैं, वहाँ पर प्लेट होती है, प्लेट से पाइप के बीच में डिफरेंस लेकर आते हैं. वो जो पाइप हम डालते हैं वहाँ से आप वाटर पोर कर सकते हो, ताकि जो आपकी सॉइल है इट शुड ऑल्सो गेटिंग मॉइस्ड. अगर आपकी मॉइस्ड नहीं रहेगी तो जो रिवर्सिंग करंट आपको जाना है उसकी कंडक्टिविटी कम हो जाएगी. वैसे तो अर्थ अपने आप में नेगेटिव कंडक्टिविटी बॉडी है ही है, बट फिर भी उसके बाद से उसकी रेजिस्टिविटी बढ़ाने के लिए हम उसमें पानी को पोर करते हैं. अभी मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ, आप ये पॉइंट नोट कर लो. व्हेन विल गो टू द सिस्टम आई विल शो यू. सो आफ्टर डिस्कनेक्शन ऑफ दिस कॉल we will reconnect. That will take another 5 to 7 minutes time. Okay, I will disconnect this and we will come on the laptop and we will show you. Okay.